Friday, 8/21, April 20th, 2018. Clouds are looking a little bit normal today. More normal, I suppose, you could say. We've got a little more white clouds than gray, although that's a nice chemical filled one there. But I'll just pan around here and we'll see that we do have more blue today. So far, anyway. These clouds are what you call burn-off clouds after a big storm. They have this white look, but they're still right full of lots of chemical that create all these rainbow-like colors. The prism effect. And can it ever still hold the light? You notice in some of these how the sun is just a little round ball. You never see that if nothing's blocking the sun. You would just see sun rays and it would be blinding. But of course the sun is the thing that I always look for. Don't know when we're going to get total blue skies. It's been a week exactly since the ice storm and since we've had any real sun. But even already, these clouds are you can really see here the sun just cannot penetrate through. Just a perfectly round dot. Doesn't even look real. Nothing really blocks the light. Unless this dark cloud might do it, but it has to be really dark. Almost looks like the moon the sun does there. Just incredible the ability these clouds have to absorb the light. Incredible. This level is a scorched level type of cloud. It's already been burned off from the storm, and it's just all the heavier stuff that's left, and it's so reflective of the sun, and the sun cannot penetrate through. It's just incredible. You know, when you can see it in a ball like that it's being blocked. You know, when I look at it with my bare eyes, it's just brightness. The camera's picking it up. But the sunlight's mostly being blocked. That's why you can see the sun as a little ball and being reflected back. You can see the browns from the burn off and the whites and the darks and the blues. That blue is the light that we're actually mostly getting. It's not our regular sunlight. It's whatever passes through this blue section. I can't believe that it's healthy. Right there you can hardly see the sun at all. You can sort of see the burn off. It's happening just above the sun, and as it goes past it changes to that browny color. There's a big burn off right there, just flared up. And that creates more clouds, plus creates the sun's appearance of being bigger. You can also see how that dark cloud rolls over to fall in on the light, and just that's what it does. It just gets attracted to the light. So it's the top layer, or the scorched layer, is rolling over towards the sun and just starting to scorch off. You really see in this section the halo starting to form and the burn off going. You can see these bright flashes when the burn off really happens, and the sun almost just blots right out because it's so bright, illuminating up the clouds and burning. Big flare, big burn off. It hits that black lower level and just expands the sun. It's a good example of why people say the sun's changing shapes and stuff like that, because they see this big burn off. When you look at it close, you see what's going on, that it's not really the sun, it's just the light expanding on these clouds and being reflected. Gorgeous. I just can't get over the ability of these clouds to absorb the light. It's just crazy. And you can start to see the different colors in there. It just blows my mind every time. And how the sun looks so fake. It just looks like a dot sitting there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll have probably a part 2 to this one.